This is a Ultimax cartridge. It runs in the Ultimax or Max Machine Compatibility mode on Commodore 64. So how can you find out if something is an Ultimax cartridge? Well, plug in your Max machine. If it works, you're set. But if you don't happen to have one, there is another way. These pins are numbered from 1 through 22, and this is both 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's no actual pins there, but the space is still there. Here we get to pin 8. 8 is grounded, and 9 is not. Pin 8 is the game line, and pin 9 is the XROM line. And if 8 is grounded and 9 is not, that means it is an Ultimax cartridge.